It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.